In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this patterned material. We have circles and star-like patterns. It's an interesting pattern, because we can see the blue region as circles or a background for star-like patterns. Here are the full nodes. Since this set is huge, I'll zoom in shortly. There are two mix nodes that are connected to other nodes. We have three RGB nodes, and they're connected to the mix nodes like this. We have factor nodes that are math nodes based. If we don't have them, we'll have these results instead. We have two greater than math nodes being used as factors for the mix nodes. If we didn't have the second mix node, we'll have this result. Dotted patterns. This greater than math node is connected to the Voronoi texture node. We would not see the blue circle if we were not using the greater than math node. There are other options within the math nodes that will make interesting results. These two nodes are optional. They create stripes. The snap node is a math node as well. Let's see what each node does. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.